be smart. So, hey, yo,
Don't have it back.
boy.
Can I know you feel like? Oh baby, I
No need to worry, no worry, girl, don't worry. Come never me showing you the loving. You best so, me no go let so. Ay, 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 come mirando. Oh, oh, you want me dada. Me say me want you, oh, girl, you. Ini, mini, mini, malibo. Una bate kem kelio. She guandele, guandele. Now I'm 20, me still got like love. Kelly Hila, Willa, Yella, Yuya, Horo, Baluki Mila Namaru.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sita. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Happy birthday, Sita. Sorry that we're not there to celebrate your special day, but I know families and friends are there to celebrate with you. We're wishing you all the best and hope to see you again. And we are drinking on your behalf from our end. Cheers from Melbourne. Cheers. We out.
Happy birthday, Auntie Sita. May God bless you. We love you. Bye.
Hi Sita, wishing you a happy and blessed 21st birthday. Ito ang mga boy mo sa tayo. Sine, ababas mo niya sa panang liuke. Kasi tayo lang pumalasi. Tumawa niya ako rin. Ang palasiya, tuwaw. Cowboys ko na manuyato. Never time to follow. I love you.
Happy birthday to Sita. Happy 21st, baby girl. Get lit, get lit. I hope you get super drunk tonight and you don't remember the rest of the night. I'm so sorry that I couldn't be there, but coronavirus, you know, she's out here and unfortunately I can't make it. But I trust that the next time that we meet, girl, we gon' get lit. Anyways, happy birthday. I love you. I miss you so much. And I miss the rest of the family. And yeah, see you guys. Love you.
Ito tama mo ko puna. Ia pakaptay taro pa te atua. Ko ia mai tato just tene te tato. Ite tai tene Tesida. Kamala pakaptay kama watoro putasi. Te ora ka panoki muma. Ke pai tu ma toro te na. Kalongo ki o matua o to ngani na te na. Kamuenga te ia taimi te mawa tai bene te satara tato. Kuala patu ka to kai nga mai konei. Moea mana whanau. Matono. O Riki mo Tonio mo Lisa mo Kapule. Te kai nga katoro mato mai konei. Kamanuia tu kito wasa whanau kato nga toro prutasi. Katoa pakitu mauwinga moai pai toro prutasi no mea dia kene ko ya patio matua kamenga te atua kitu mauwinga ya tato te ora te malos te nalo pata pai mo tato ya ke manu ya ko to ko na pene ko ke mato mai kone.
Happy 21st birthday Tesida te kingo ko chine sa alofa manu to luata sta sanga te to ke te fa popo te ne ya to sanga ke ola leva ko kai love and miss kini mando ko manu te pugna ko visit matu anyway. Bye, love you.
Happy
21st birthday.
Love from Australia.